Yummy-licious. You guys are going to love this tea. This is golden milk tea, also known as turmeric tea. And I'm going to share with you all my secrets to making a really delicious tea. And today's episode is being sponsored by Caribbean Dreams. So be sure to pick up your packet of Caribbean Dreams instant ginger tea to recreate this recipe. Thank you to my sponsor Amco for sponsoring today's episode. All these amazing products can be found at your local supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. For this recipe, you're going to put a saucepan on medium-low heat and add in a little bit of ghee or unsalted butter. I know you all are going to ask me if it's needed. If you wanted to omit it, you can, but I promise you the taste is going to be so amazing and luxurious. Now, I went in with some freshly grated ginger and some spices along with a cinnamon stick and a piece of star anise. And I'm just going to let this toast in here for about 2 minutes. We want to awaken the spices. We want it to taste really fragrant. It's going to smell really fragrant. I'm also going to go in with 1 bay leaf or ciliment leaf. It's a special ciliment or bay leaf that we get in Trinidad. Now I'm going to be using 2 packets of this Caribbean Dreams instant turmeric tea. It does contain black pepper, which is a much needed ingredient for the absorption of turmeric in our diet. So I'm going in with 2 packs of that and let this toast for another minute. Make sure your heat is on low and it's not going to burn your spices. Now there is ginger in that tea, but I love the addition of fresh ginger. Now I'm going to go in with almond milk. If you wanted to use regular whole milk or evaporated milk, feel free to use whatever milk you like. Now I'm adding in the milk. And then I'm going to go in with some honey to sweeten, which is totally optional, or you can use condensed milk here also, and some freshly grated nutmeg. Give this a mix. You can taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking, or you can totally omit anything that's sweet. And just let this simmer for around 5 minutes on a low heat, and then it's time to enjoy. I promise you, when you taste this, it's going to taste oh so delicious. I can just imagine this over some toasted vermicelli. It would make for a really great sawine. All I'm going to do now is strain it into my cup so that I can enjoy. Simple, easy, and delicious. And it's spiced so beautifully with all of those spices that I placed in there. Discard the spices and then it's time to enjoy. So thank you all so much for watching me. Remember to pick up your packet of Caribbean Dreams instant turmeric tea to recreate this recipe. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone. So good.